So today is a very exciting day. I got my new TM7. Look, there's my name. And as you can see, the box is a bit different shape because the TM7 is totally different. So many new features. Let's open this box. Alright, there's no question about what's in this box. It's the new TM7. Right. Information we're going to read through later. The aroma. Let's try this one first. That's our bowl. And then the brain. Ooh. A little bit heavier. With all the weight, that's our whole machine. Which one do you want me to start with? Shall we start with that one? So this is the base. It's got little envelopes on the side, so I'm assuming just pull it up from there. Our new spatula. It's a different shape, as you can see. It can stand upright like that, and can also keep the bench clean by putting it down like that. Look at this baby. Wait, just little foot plastic. Screen big enough, especially for the eyes getting a little bit older. This is so satisfying. Ah, look at that beautiful, beautiful screen. I might just plug that in quick so it can start. How do we switch it on? Haha! Power buttons over there. Look at that nice big screen. So I reckon, let me show you the Varoma next. And then we'll get to the base. I just pull. Yep. Just pull. So the Varoma on the TM7 is 45% bigger. But it actually looks like it compacts smaller, doesn't it? Nice rectangular shape. And you've got your tray as well with holes everywhere. And the lid, what I like about that, when you put it in, it's more secure than the TM6 one. I'm going to pop that to the back. Okay, let's say start on there. Oh, I'm going to have to set up a few things. Let's wait a sec with that. Let's unbox the ball blade lid set. So it looks very similar to the 6, but not at all. The inside is the same, but the outside, oops, outside is insulated. So, slightly heavier bowl blade lid set, because we have, that's your lid, a steaming basket, whisk, and and the cap. So this cap will fit on the top like that. But the bowl I've got to show you, it's the same bowl that you had in the 6, but it's insulated. To remove the blades, we just slide the button to the side and pick it up. That looks familiar, doesn't it? Very similar to our TM6. And the blades are the same. 6 and 7. So new. No marks, nothing in there. To pop it back in, you just line this up with a handle and it'll slide in, and we take the lever and there our blades are locked in. So no more struggling with the bottom of the bowl. That is your bowl that fits on top like that, and then with your lid and cap. With the lid, you've got to line it up with your base there. And a new feature in the TM7, you can lift this lid at any time while cooking if it's going under speed 2. So now we can do open lid stirring. For those that likes to poke in the bowl or add something, we can take the lid off. The steaming basket is similar but different. So your spatula fits in there to open up. And to take it out, it's also slides in. It's just a bit of a different angle. And the whisk is pretty much the same. Shall we set it up? Setting up your TM7. I've pressed start and now got to pick our language. So we'll pick Australian English. We're in Australia. Yep. And then the safety instructions. So only use the things that came with the Thermomix in the Thermomix. And don't block the holes. Then just be careful, don't put it on the stove or the hob. When it's boiling over, emergency stop is this one. Safety instructions is do not overfill your bowl. So there's a maximum line, the 2.2 litre line. If you've got fluids, that's the maximum line. If you're still chopping down stuff like with your vegetable stock and things, that's okay. You can fill it up to there. But once it's chopped down and liquid, don't fill it past that line. How do we lock the knife in? Very important to lock your blades in every time after you've used it, before you put it back. So when you've taken the blades out, just make sure you pop it back in. And then lock it in there before you use it again. Otherwise, if you're going to pour liquid and stuff in, it's going to run out the bottom. Then read all your safety instructions before you start cooking with your Thermomix. Now we've got to connect it to the Wi-Fi. I might need to call in tech support for this one. Now we've got to log into our cookie do, or sign up if you haven't yet. Code. And we signed in. I cannot speak German, but yes, it worked. Then continue with the next step. You can set up your home screen quite a few different ways, and we can go through that later. It tells you, are you an organizer person who likes your weekly planning and things on there, or are you someone that wants your tools handy? Or the first one was, if you're someone that wants inspiration daily. So you can pick which one you want to choose, and now you can pick. So daily inspiration, I like to organize myself, or I like having tools handy. I like to be organized. That's where you get your weekly plan and stuff. So I'm going to select that one. She even talks to me. Software update is required. So we'll do all the software updates. Look at this beautiful green light shining on the Thermomix here. And as you start cooking, this light will turn to orange and then to red as it gets warmer and warmer.